guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. This is just a super simple Halloween makeup. It's called Puzzle Face. All you do is I put a white base down so I would look super pale. Then I took an eyeliner pencil and just drew puzzle pieces all over my face. And then you can take a red eyeshadow, lip gloss, lipstick, whatever you have in red, and color in a few pieces if you want to. This is just a great way to make it look like you took a puzzle piece off and there's raw skin underneath. Yeah, it is that simple. This is really cool for Halloween. You don't have to spend a lot of money to do it, and it gives an eerie effect. Anyway, be sure and give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and tell me down below in the comments what was your easiest Halloween costume you've ever done. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.